Hi guys, I'm just going to talk you through how to set up your paper, how to format it properly. And so you're going to want to click on a new Pages document and blank. And then the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and put in our header and page numbers. So for that, you're going to click on the three dots and you're going to scroll down to Document Setup. And then you're going to put the cursor in the right-hand box, and then you're going to click Page Numbers, and you're going to start with just the number, and then you have to put your cursor in front of it and type your last name, and then space, and then we're done with that. So then we'll hit Done, and then you'll see that you've got your page number and the page number on the top. And now it's really important that you do it here so that as you add additional pages, it'll say Haviland 2, Haviland 3, Haviland 4, and that you don't try to do that within the actual document. So then put your cursor at the very top of the page, not in Document Setup, but just in the normal Pages document. And then you're going to type your first and last name, and then the instructor's name. So in this case, Miss Haviland. And the course number, we can say English 11. And the date, you're going to do it day, then month, then year, and no commas. Then you're going to hit return just one time, and you're going to center it. So hit the paintbrush, and then click on center, and then let's type title. Now, obviously, don't leave it saying title. You don't have to think of the title right now, but at some point come back to it and write a title that better encompasses what your essay is about. Then you're going to hit return one time. Then you're going to go back to the paintbrush. You're going to click left align, because we're going to write our essay being left aligned. And then we're going to tab in so that each paragraph is indented. And then go ahead and just put a speech mark there, because we're going to ask that you start with a quote or statistic. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to highlight what you have so far, so select all. Then you're going to go to this paintbrush. You're going to scroll to line spacing, and you're going to do 2. Oops. Okay, so you'll notice that everything is in black. Everything's in 12.12. Actually, hold on. Did we miss that part? So select all, paintbrush, 12-point font, everything's in black, and we don't want this, we want Times New Roman. There we go. Okay, so everything's in black, everything's 12-point font, Times New Roman, double spaced, and you never hit return twice, you only hit return once. So return once from the date to the title, and return once from the title to where your essay starts, and then in between paragraphs you only hit return once, never twice. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, just make sure that your paper is formatted just like what I've shown you here.